Morning. Welcome back to the channel. It's icy. It's cold. We got wet wood. I'm trying to get a fire going and dry some of this wet wood out. So welcome back. I'm glad you're here. All right, it looks like I got the fire. How'd you like my little drying method? You know, the TP, the sticking the wood in between, keeping it going, letting it build up, dry the wood out. Then that wood gets dry, then you put that wood on the fire, and then you move logs close to the fire and they dry out. And then as the day progresses, move those logs onto the fire, and then hopefully all day you have dry wood. So anyways, I cheated a little bit. You saw the tumbleweeds. You know, oh, hang on a second. Hey man. Come and see me. All right, bye. All right, man, bye-bye. Sorry about that. I forgot we were talking and I had to grab the phone and then I lost track of where we were, and I think I was on the fire, like drying the wood out method, vortex, blaze, wet wood, the whole thing. Like I think I got it, so it's working. I got like a whirlwind down inside the hole that's like circulating air. We got a positive molecular airflow, perfect oxygen to carbon monoxide balance, and I learned all that in campfire building school whenever I was a kid. No, I didn't. I just making all that up. Okay. So we got the fire going and I'm dying for some coffee. It's gonna be a little while before I'm gonna be ready for that. But hey, welcome back. I'm glad you guys are here today. If you haven't subscribed already, hang on one second. There we go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, I would appreciate it if you would. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, click all, then you'll get notified every single time I post a new video. Anyways, don't have to explain that every single time I film a video. I mean, people will figure it out. Man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh. I got 7 cedars over here in our cedar pile for the lean-to. Now, this lean-to build will eventually be a standalone video compilation of the whole entire thing. Of course I'm going to make that video. I'm going to combine all the work, combine all the effort into one video, but right now you're watching the process. Did I say that dramatic enough? Was that enough drama? Right now you're watching the process, and the process is all the other stuff along with building the lean-to. What else goes into this? You know, coffee, fire building, chain sharpening, coffee, chainsaw, coffee, equipment, buying. I bought some new equipment. I hope my wife is gonna like it. We'll see. She doesn't know that I bought it yet, but I think she'll like it. Okay, I got to go back and check on the fire. Fire's not quite ready yet for the coffee, so I just grabbed the water. I'm headed down to the creek. It just seems loud today. I think a lot of this ice is melting. Did I mention we have ice? Yeah, we got ice. Welcome to Arkansas. Have fun, rest of the world, in your white fluffy snow that you can shovel and go snowboarding and skiing, sledding. I'll be out here chopping ice. Dang, waterfalls look good, don't they? I tried to get up there and film a few of them. Just give a little something pretty to look at, you know, when you're watching the video. Let's check on the fire and see if we can get some coffee going. Figured the birds might get hungry. I haven't mentioned already. Thanks for being here. What episode are we in right now? I don't know. I have probably. I've been working on the editing part. Hang on a second. And honestly, I don't know where we're at. I've been editing quite a few videos prior to launching the channel. So if you're watching this now and you've watched the other videos that I've put up, I don't know, this is probably about the 16th, 17th, I don't know, maybe the 20th video that I've shot out here. So yeah, it's going good. But man, this weather, you should have seen the ice at my house. I could barely even make it out to the vehicles without just busting my butt every single time. Nothing to hardly hold on to. You couldn't get any traction on your feet. You saw me breaking up the ice a little while ago, and that's what I ended up doing yesterday at my house, just to get to my vehicles and make some little pathways and stuff, because the ice has been brutal. And I have that tamper that I bought. I've had that thing forever, and it works good for stuff like that. It's heavy, it's got some weight behind it, and I just thought it would be handy dandy to have out here, because I wasn't sure whenever I came out here. Coffee's looking good. Yeah, I wasn't sure whenever I came out here how bad the ice would be out here, because I hadn't seen it yet. And if it was anything like it was yesterday at my house, I was like, there ain't no way I can do anything out here, because you can't walk. But luckily we got a lot of branches and pine needles and rocks and stuff stuff that'll give you some traction, and it's also the next day, so it's kind of been melting a little bit. But if you live in Arkansas or any other state that you get bad ice, I feel you, because this right here is way different than fluffy snow. You know what I'm saying? It sucks bad. I'm gonna get my cup. Coffee's ready. I can't find any of my dang cups. Can't find my Yeti, can't find my Razorback mug. What happened to my Yeti, man? This'll work. No lid though. Oh, caught a piece of ice in it. Did you hear that? man, it's getting hot. Warming up now that I'm working. All right, let's try to get this other one up out of here. Which one are we? Is that the last one? Maybe I only got one more. Man, I kind of hit my truck on some of these branches. Doesn't really look like it did anything. Oh, that was kind of close. Okay. We've got this one. This one I think is the biggest one right here. Yeah, he goes way up in there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30, 20. 25. 33. 33 maybe. I don't know. I think I could cut this. Cut it. Make it a lot easier to get out of here. Can you hear me? I'm yelling. Can you hear me? I'm gonna go back here. Oh, sorry. Man, I really gotta tighten this thing up. Come on, Joby. Tighten up. There we go. That's my tripod's name. Joby. Kind of a weird name, but I like the name. My little Joby. I bought his little brother, little Joby. It's weird they got the same name, but it is what it is. All right, let me get you on the other tripod. Where's the thing? No. Oh. No. Need that. Next charger. Oh my gosh, I can't find it. Alright. Well, I guess I screwed up. Oh, hang on. It's my phone. Let me sit you down. I can't find the top part. The part that screws onto the underneath side of the camera. And that sucks. It renders your tripod useless, basically. And right now I'm kind of dead in the water on that. But I'll figure something out. Man, I'm really bummed about losing the little stupid thing to my tripod. I'm just going back down here to look for it. I can't remember where I was whenever I swapped my tripods out. But golly, I don't think I would have just set it down somewhere random. I bet I set it down on something and it fell off and landed on the ground. It's probably on the ground out here, but who knows where. Or it's in my truck and I just don't see it. I'm pretty sure it's not in my bag. Sorry about this, man. I gotta look for it real quick. Remember, I knocked the camera over back there. And then I don't know if I swapped it out after that. It's not gonna be back here, I don't think. If I find this thing, it's gonna just be like a freak find. You know what I'm saying? Like, I need to be trying to manifest this because there's just no way I'm gonna find this thing out here. Crap, man. That's my good tripod. You know, I can't get you up off the ground very good with this one unless I stand it up on something or wrap you around a tree branch or whatever. Yeah, I'm not seeing it out here. I remember I walked across this log right here. What did I do after that? Went over there. I came back, walked around, moved those branches, wrapped the cable around right there. Somebody's snapping me, and then I come over here, and then we did a thing with the rope there. Yeah, I even walked back down to the fire pit to see if I had laid it on the table and it wasn't down there. Hang on a second, I gotta check this. My grandson is over at my house right now with my wife and my daughter and my stepdaughter. Hang on, where's Snap? There it is. I don't hardly ever snap, but I have it because my wife likes to send me snaps. Snap is easy, like if you just want to send some snaps real quick, it's pretty easy for that, but I don't ever do my story or nothing like that. Hang on, I gotta tap to view. Oh, hey little buddy.
Elias, did you poo-poo?
Oh my gosh.
Did you poo-poo? Did you?
I guess he poo-pooed. Hang on, there's another one. It's my wife. Can you hear it? Did you hear her laughing?
Did you poop?
Oh my God. Here we go again. I guess pooping's really funny.
Elias. No, this is what he's like. Whoa. Gosh. I'm glad you're tough.
Hang on, we got one more. Hang on.
Hey, Elias. Elias. Hey, did you poop? Did you poop?
She is giving him heck. Oh man, I can't find it anywhere. It's got to be in my truck. I bet I set it down with my bag. It was probably in my hand. And I set something else down, and then I set them both down at the same time. I'll do a big clean out whenever I get home. For today, we're gonna just finish off with little Joby. Okay, focus, focus. really don't think I can go much deeper than 12. I mean, I could push it way out here, but I need all this room right here for my log landing, so I'm trying to keep the lean-to as far back as I can because we're gonna be bringing some long logs in here and I need plenty of room to deal with it. So I think we're just gonna do it right here, right by where I was burning the brush pile and all that. So, okay. Okay, actually we're gonna go 16, so 12 by 16. That's it, final, we're done. Okay, so I'll use that framing square right in the beginning just to kind of get the string right about where I need it. It's not exactly accurate, but at least I know it's not like way over to the left or way over to the right. We're in the general vicinity of squareness. So that's good. String line is so much easier whenever you have help. Doing all this stuff's easier when you have help, let's just be honest. Have you ever built a lean-to or a tool shed or anything like that? If you have, leave me a comment, tell me what you've built. Of course, some of y'all built everything, you know. The list goes on mile long. This is actually the first lean-to I ever built where I cut the logs to build it. First time ever. Everything I build up until now has always been dimensional lumber. It's pretty close. Got one hole dug. It's a monster. Let's check it out. Can't really tell how big it is, but man, it's pretty deep. So that's pretty much it for today. Hauled some cedar, got it lined out, got it string lined, lost my tripod thing that goes under my camera. And got my holes all lined out for digging. I got one hole dug. Probably gonna keep digging for a little while. More holes I dig today, less holes I'm gonna have to dig tomorrow. So I'm gonna do that, but that's pretty much gonna do it. Guys, I appreciate you watching, man. Thank you so much. We're a brand new channel and you're here right now. So I really appreciate it. If you're just now coming on board, go back to the first episode and watch it from the beginning. Cause it's like every day, you know, every time I'm out here, it's just a chronicle documenting the process leading up to building our log cabin. So that's what all this stuff's about, man. We're building our dream house, our dream home in the Ozarks. So I'm glad you're here. But hey, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I can't talk, it's getting kind of cold. Hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, hit all if you don't mind. We'll get you notified every time we post a new video. But we appreciate y'all watching. Give us a like if you liked it. If you didn't like it, just, you know, don't do anything. Whatever's fine. No reason to, you know, do anything mean or anything. I'm just out here trying to live my life and, you know, be a little somewhat entertaining and film all this stuff and work hard and, you know, move the camera 5,000 different times. Anyway, enough about that. What was the last thing? Subscribe, all, notification, like. Oh yeah, hey, if you got any questions or just comments, you know, leave me a comment. I'll get on there. Hang on. Okay. Are we too dark? Oh, it's not too bad. Leave me a comment. I'll do the best I can to get on there and answer any questions or anything you might have. I really do appreciate it. It helps the channel a lot. It helps us grow. Tell your friends. If you got anybody else that's interested in homesteading, log home building, firewood, cutting things down, trees, moving rock, making coffee, building fires, building houses, guest cabins, and greenhouses, and building fences, shoveling snow and breaking up ice and watching sunsets and checking out the creek and waterfalls and hiking fire pits. Man, I love my fire pit. Whoa, but I don't love that. Hang on. Oh, there we go. Check out this fire, man. It's still going. Go down here and check on this fire one last time before I get out of here. I put a bunch of wet wood on there and stacked it up. I think you guys saw that. Let me check this exposure. Yeah, it's getting dark. Hang on. Sorry. Let me turn you up a little bit. So you saw the fire, all the wet wood. I'm just stacking it on top, hoping that while I'm gone, some of it'll dry out, and then whenever I get here tomorrow morning, it'll be dry enough to build a fire and get going, make some coffee, and get back to work. So you can see what I got here. I don't know if this trick's gonna work or not, but we'll find out tomorrow morning. Thanks again for watching, guys. Going along all right. So far, so good. Just can't wait to start building, you know what I mean? Get past this, getting the tree stage and cutting cedar and digging holes. Stuff's kind of boring anyways, right? I'm out here trying to make it look interesting, doing the best job I can. Trying to make normal stuff look interesting. And this is normal, right? Cutting wood, digging holes, just normal stuff. Cutting wood and digging holes my whole life. Seems normal to me. Tell you, that is one thing that, hang on, let me turn you down just a tad bit. There we go. That is one thing about making videos and trying to be creative, is just trying to take something normal that just doesn't look cool and trying to make it look cool, you know, or interesting, you know, so people will find enjoyment, entertainment out of it. Learn a little how-to or just follow a process, you know. It's just, to me, this is just normal stuff, man. This is like my everyday life. I mean, I don't every day go cut cedar, but working and doing things, building things, that's my everyday life. So it's never really seemed that interesting to me when you grow up doing stuff like this. It's just a natural everyday thing, everyday life, you know what I'm saying? So I do appreciate you guys being here, and I hope I'm making it as interesting as I possibly can. And I got to get some of this work done. So we just closed the video out back there. I don't know if you saw, you know, I did the whole drive away thing and all that. If you're still here, thank you. And I got to figure out, when I get home, I got to clean the truck out, at least the front, where I put all my camera gear. And I've got to try to find that little thing that goes on top of the tripod but screws underneath the camera. What's that thing called? I don't even know. Somebody knows what that's called. If you know, without Googling what that thing's called, leave it down in the comment for me, will you? Appreciate you guys. Fist bump.